Welcome to Mindful Spirit Nighttime Meditation to help assist you in preparing for sleep through gentle meditation. You may join us before getting into bed as part of your preparation, or maybe you are already in bed and beginning your journey to sleep. As we settle down, we allow the events of the day to settle and our bodies to relax. Our eyelids become heavy and we gently close our eyes and allow them to rest. We feel our body and we become present. The day has passed, and tomorrow will soon be here. But for now, here we are in the present. Our minds may wander as our thoughts try to reflect on the day or plan for the future. But we take this moment to be present for now. We take 3 deep breaths as we fill our lungs with new air and breathe out, allowing our body to cleanse. We inhale, allowing our stomach to expand and our ribs to open. We feel our lungs stretching. Then we allow an exhale and a soft sigh, feeling the warm air pass through your airway and out of the body. We complete this 3 more times. In and stretch, and sigh out. In and let your ribs open, and out, feeling the air pass through your body. And a last in, feeling ourselves with fresh air, and out. Relax. With each breath, we feel ourselves more in the present. We can feel the events of the day slowly fading into the past. Thoughts enter the mind, and we now decide which ones will we explore and which thoughts we will allow to pass. We cleanse our body and mind. Letting the body now slowly assume the natural pace of breathing. The more we accept our natural connection to your breath, we gain appreciation that our body, mind, and spirit are connected. It's okay to slow down. You are safe. It's okay to allow things to pass for the day You're now transitioning, preparing for yourself. You can feel that with each breath, you are more connected to your heart, your lungs, and your body. You can feel the beat of your chest with each breath. I'm ready for peace. I'm ready to relax. I'm ready to unwind. And I'm ready for sleep. Feel your body, your face, jaw, your eyes slowly relax. Notice how your shoulders drift down, away from your neck. Your breaths are natural. They are relaxed. Tension fades from your stomach and pelvis. Your legs fall to the side as they are preparing for sleep. Your mind drifts. You are ready for dreams. Your body and mind are connected. As you breathe, the connection grows stronger. You are the only one, the only person who can control you. As the mind wanders and your body relaxes, you feel a slow transition. A deep, relaxing, grateful night's rest awaits you. You allow your body to change during your meditation. Slowly, slowly, your body, mind, and spirit are ready for rest.